Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously I'm going to bring another Louis Vuitton review video for you guys. I'm going to keep it a little bit, sweet and short. So let's get going. So this is actually part of the men's spring summer 2020 line. So I have two pieces from this collection. It's obviously the Foliage. So this is the first piece. So this one is the Pochette Voyage. So it comes in the monogram eclipse, but with the foliage artwork right on it. So I also have the pocket organizer, which I will show in a second. So I just want to give you a close-up to see the details on this bag. This one's absolutely beautiful. And the flowers wrap all the way around. So it's not just front and back, it goes all the way underneath. Let me give you a close-up of that as well. Okay, and this pochette actually has black hardware. It's like a matte. Let's see if this one will zoom in. But it's all black. So this one's like the standard Pochette Voyage just come with 6 credit card slots right on the inside. There's also another smaller pocket right on the inside, and then there's just big opening right here. And it also did come with a little pamphlet. It says it's part of the spring summer collection in French. Okay, so that's the Pochette Voyage. I just wanted to give you a quick close-up. I'm not going to go into much detail because I did a video on one of these before. Okay, and the next piece is the pocket organizer. Okay, and comes in the monogram eclipse canvas again, but with the flowers. If you look closely, it's just, you see this Louis Vuitton but in yellow cursive. I think that's pretty neat. So yeah, I really do like the flower on this. I mean, it looks masculine at the same time. It adds like a little touch to it, so it's not like it's super feminine, but I do believe a lot of the women was buying the Foliage in the men's collection, but it's all unisex. But I just want to show you the side-by-side comparison. I wouldn't say the flowers are exactly the same. I mean, they're all kind of different. I mean, they're similar, but let's say on this Pochette Voyage, the cursive that you saw earlier was yellow, but this is kind of like a lavender color, I would say. A lilac, and then here's yellow. So, I mean, it's kind of similar, but each one varies a little bit. But the pocket organizer, as you know, comes with 3 credit card slots. I guess you could say the 4th right here. And then it has these other slots right here. It's your standard pocket organizer. But I just want to come on here, give you guys a quick close-up. So if you were thinking about it and wanted to see it in person, you can take a look at it here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you can, like, comment, and I'll bring more videos to you guys. I'm going to try to post a little more frequently, especially with this quarantine going on, so let's see. Okay, bye guys.